Good morning. Today we are going to conduct one activity from 7th G1 girls. The activity is Tenali paints the horse. A funny activity. Let us see and enjoy. Thank you.
Your Majesty, may I come in, sir?
Yes, you can.
See
Wow,
my painting, sir.
wow, that is really beautiful painting. I can almost feel the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you.
Your Highness is very kind. It will be a honor to me. Your Majesty,
We shall be very pleased if you stay in my court and draw more beautiful paintings like this.
it will be a great honor to me, Your Majesty. Lifelong I'll draw for you, Your Majesty.
What is your opinion, Tenali? Why are you so sad?
Your Majesty, I do not think they are such good paintings at all.
How can you say that they are perfectly lovely?
For one thing, where is the other side of those two men? We could only see the one side of those two men. For another thing, where is the face of that cow?
Abba, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing.
I bet Your Majesty, I can paint better than that one. Well, I could if I had the paints.
I bet you a bag of gold that you can't. I'll give papers and paintings. You may also take leave for a month. End of the month, you bring your painting that is half good as that. I will give you a bag of gold and I promise that the title of King Artist is given to you.
I agree, Your Majesty. After 1 month, I will show you a better painting than that one.
You may go now.
Your Highness, you have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he's the smartest person in the world.
Your Majesty, he has really painted himself into a corner. I had like to see himself to get out that one. I would not be too certain of that. He is really very clever. Sit.
After 1 month.
So what do we do today?
Sir, the day was arrived when Tenali shows his paintings.
Where is he? It's also time for my lunch. Perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he lost the track of this.
Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it.
Abba, I can't wait anymore. Somebody go to his house and tell him he lost his bet and a bag of gold.
Your Majesty, it's only fair that if he does not make good his boost, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. Indeed, yes, I agree, sir, that he should. Ah, there he is, Your Majesty. He seems to have bought it, but it is covered with cloth.
Good morning, Your Majesty. I bought my painting.
Okay, bring. Okay, remove the cloth.
Your Majesty, see what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It's a magnificent black horse with a white star on its forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. I wonder if I had rails trail like that.
What is this? I cannot see a horse. This is very insulting me. You are trying to make a fool on me? There is nothing on the canvas.
Well, Majesty, you are the one who told me to use our imagination when we are seeing a painting. So, imagine that the rest of the horse is eating some green grass behind the wall.
You old rascal, you have got better than me. Minister, where is the bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman. He is a very cleverest man in my kingdom. The king of title artist is given for you.
In this way, Tenali Raman won everybody's heart by his intelligence, and he got the bag of gold and also the title of the King of the Artist.
Thank you.